don't need to go home. I don't want you having chest pains or anything like that.
Well, I'll say this much. When the frost is on the buffalo's nose, it's mighty cold outside. If you can see it over there, there's a freeway.
You can't see this.
This is out the back door. Like I said, when the frost is on the buffalo, it's mighty cold outside. My poor little feet down there are freezing. Well, guess so. Oh!
Careful. Don't walk on the path.
I was trying to.
Okay.
Oh, we can step over there.
No, here.
Trying to get the door open. It's frozen set. There you go.
Okay. Go.
Why did you call me?
What?
Look up.
No.
Wait a minute.
She's like, I'm freezing my ass off.
No, I'm just not photogenic. You've got good pictures of me. Use them. Photoshop me right in.
Yeah.
I would have came over.
I know. He was impatient though. It's not that bad getting over here either.
No, it wouldn't.
Which way did you go?
We brought the shovel. I shoveled in my path to the car, and then it's all clear.
Here we go. This is the side. This is piled up over the fence. That's about, I'd say, almost 7 feet tall. There's another little snow drift. That's only about 4 feet tall. And here's what it did overnight. You can see that. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. There's a water truck down there. Water truck. That's probably empty of water. We've been out of water, or been where we can't go nowhere for a while, for like the last 2 days. Here's the countryside. Guy's motorcycle. And here's what it did to our lovely barn. And this is the hill you gotta climb over if you want to use the restroom. And that's about, well, you can see there, top of the roof. So that's about 5 foot high. It's quite a hike and cold. Here's the cars. Oh, look. There's a guy coming out of his house. And the snow is about, I'd say about 10 feet tall. It's just one mound. Joe and Melanie's cars. They're just covered in snow. Soda pop machine covered in snow. And I'd say it's about 30 some odd degrees out here right now. Wow, look at that mound. That's a pretty good mound. But there's footprints here, and the snow blew around the footprints and just left the footprints. Oh. There's the barn and another trailer. And another mound over the fence. You can barely see that fence there. And another snow drift. This was only about halfway up this fence. Still about 3 to 4 mile per hour winds out here. There's a picnic bench we had to prop up so they didn't break or do any damage to it, water-wise. There's another snow drift. That one's over the fence. Wow. There's the fence there. It's over it. And here's what it looks like in our restroom facility. Snow drift there. They kind of shoveled it out here, but you had snow all the way up. Oh, there's a door. Halfway up that door. Here's our washers. They're completely covered in snow. Here's our dryers. Completely covered in snow. Here's the floor, which is like ice. It's super slippery, so if I fall, don't laugh. And here's what it looks like